Located in Minnetonka, Minnesota, Northstar has been successfully manufacturing automotive and light truck wheel alignment products for over 40 years. Beginning with the heavy truck Uniwedge in 1980, Northstar Manufacturing has put innovation in design at the forefront. As front-wheel drive vehicles became prominent, Northstar continued innovating and expanded the product line. This, coupled with the development of new electronic alignment equipment capable of reading both front and rear wheel angles, created the opportunity for the development of Northstar's first rear alignment shim designs. Concentrating on the OE markets, Northstar developed partnerships with clients such as TRW Canada, Perfect Equipment, and Sealed Power. Capitalizing on the wealth of knowledge and experience gained over time, the Northstar vision came to materialize in 1984 with the launch of a complete aftermarket wheel alignment product line, including cam bolts, wedge kits, truck bushings, and more. In the following decades, attention to product development and the highest level of service has allowed Northstar to create and maintain a leading industry presence, becoming the primary supplier to national accounts such as Sears, Goodyear, and Firestone. Today, Northstar continues this tradition of excellence by not only the continued expansion and advancement of the product line with many patented products, but the highest standards in customer service. Attention to detail in every aspect of our process guarantees seamless communication and delivery. Focus on the customer, provided through the dedicated people at Northstar, has always been and will always be the key to our success.